What's going on, y'all? Did y'all see my little short this week? This is what we cooking. Meatless Monday in full effect. We making a pumpkin soup, y'all. A pumpkin soup. So anyway, we gonna get this pumpkin cut in half, and we gonna get ready to eat good, y'all. Cause that's what we do on Meatless Monday. Eat good. But anyway, you know what time it is. Let's get it. And while you here, don't forget to give me that LSS. What's that you say? That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And if this is your first time here, glad you're here. Hope you become part of the LSS family, y'all. Cause we love tasty. So after we get that pumpkin cut in half, guess what we gotta do next? We gonna hit it with some olive oil, y'all. Then we gonna go ahead and rain on it. Hit it with a little salt. A little pepper. Then we gonna go ahead and get this bad boy in a 350-degree oven. Bag up. Now while that's in the oven, we're gonna go ahead and start on our soup. We're gonna hit the pot with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Hit it with some onions. Now we're using 1 medium onion today. We're gonna give that a mix once we get the onions in. And of course, you know we had the rain on. Had to hit them with a little salt. Now let's go ahead and give that a quick mix. Getting that salt infused into that onion. That always helps sweat that onion down, y'all. Once that onion sweat down, we gonna come in with a cup of vegetable stock, y'all. Vegetable stock. Once our vegetable stock come to a boil, we gotta put them lentils in, y'all. Now we're gonna do 1 cup of lentils. Now I have to use my half cup because Queen took my 1 cup measuring cup. We use it for her dog food, so we know how much food we give her. But I said, well, if I gotta do 2 half cups, that ain't bad. But I'll get another one sooner or later, y'all. Sooner or later. But once we get that in, we're gonna give that a mix. And oh yeah, y'all. Look at them lentils and everything boiling in together, infusing that flavor, y'all. That's what you want. That's what you want right there. So let's give our pumpkin a test. It's almost there, y'all. That knife is just a little bit giving too much resistance, but we almost there. Now to our lentils, we added another cup of stock. So now we need to go ahead and get our pumpkin cubed up so we can get it in that pot with them lentils, y'all. So we simply just gonna cube it up while it's still in the skin. Now you can peel your pumpkin and then just toast it or roast it like that. But this is so much easier, y'all. Peeling that pumpkin skin, that's for the birds to me. But anyway, once you get that cubed up, just like you see me do there, we can go ahead and get that pumpkin in that pot, y'all. So our pumpkin is basically done. Our lentils are almost done, because lentils don't take that long to cook, y'all. And this whole dish took me approximately about an hour to do. So we at about the 45-minute mark. And we're just gonna mix this up and blend it up real good and let it simmer on down. And yeah, that's our dish, y'all. That's our dish. Now after simmering for about 5 minutes, I went on, had to taste it, y'all. See if we need to add some seasoning or what, because we using that chicken stock and that's gonna bring the flavor. And I seen that we didn't. So let's go ahead and plate up, y'all. It's time to plate up. Now I let that simmer for another 10 before we plate it up. But yeah, it's time to plate up though. So take a look at that, y'all. What you think? Now I threw a little oregano on top of mine because I just love oregano. And then I threw me a couple of tomatoes. A couple of slices anyway of a tomato. And put it on top. So let's see what this tastes like, y'all. Let's see what it tastes like. I already know it's tasty though. I got me some lentils. I got my pumpkin. I got my tomato. And look at that bite, y'all. Look at that bite. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah. So tasty. So tasty. But anyway, y'all, you know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.